Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix two-finger scroll not working in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Touchpad. Then click on Scroll and Zooms. Make sure this option is selected. Drag two fingers to scroll and pinch to zoom. So these both option is selected. Make sure in case it's off, so select it. Second method, click on Start, search Task Manager, open it. Now find out here File Explorer, this one, Windows Explorer. Right click on it and click on Restart. Then close it and restart your system. So this way guys, you can fix two-finger scroll not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.